I handle the various bases around the island, and each base is like a city in itself.
Iroquois Point, the former naval housing area in West Oahu, is one example of a large customer.
We give the power to the Navy distributes it to their various customers within their fence line. The customers that are affected normally think that it's Hawaiian Electric.
In case of an outage, both sides stop the flow of electricity. If the problem is on our side of the fence, we make repairs. If the problem is on the Navy side of the fence, they make repairs. Either way, we need to wait until they're ready to receive power before we energize. And even then, they could decide to restore customers in small groups rather than all at once to minimize surges.
Even though we do restore the power, it's up to them, the customer, on how they do their restoration.